Welcome back to another video in Explained in Minutes. Today we are going to generate QR code using Python in just 2 lines of code. Watch the entire video and it will be interesting. Welcome to ASA Learning. Now before moving on to the QR code generation part, we have to install PyQR Code Python module. It is really simple to use this Python module to generate QR code based on our input data. So let's install this PyQR Code Python module. Let's copy the command pip install PyQR code, go to your terminal and paste it in your desired environment. And hence PyQR code is successfully installed. After successful installation of PyQR code, we are going to import it in order to use it. Import PyQR code. I'll run this cell and then we have to provide our data in order to convert it to a QR code. So which is nothing but the content that you want to encode and convert it as a QR code. A quick introduction about QR code, which is nothing but quick response code. It is a type of matrix barcode, or you can call it as two-dimensional barcode, which often contains data for a locator, identifier or tracker that points to a website or any application. QR code uses encoding modes such as numeric, alphanumeric, byte or binary in order to store the data efficiently. And now let's provide the input data to convert it to a QR code. I'll name the variable as data itself. Here we are going to convert the subscribe link for ASA Learning YouTube channel to a QR code. I already have the URL in the header, which I gave it as a markdown cell. So I'll double click here. You will get the URL for subscribe link to ASA Learning channel. So this will be the input data and we are going to convert this to a QR code. I'll give the URL here. Let's run this cell. So now that the data variable contains the content to encode, in order to convert this URL to a QR code, it is really simple. Let's create another variable. I'll name it as QR itself. Let's use PyQR code Python module. Here you have create method. So this method takes the content which you are going to convert. We will give our data here. I'll run this cell. In a matter of seconds, the QR code is generated, but we have to convert our QR code and output it as a PNG file. And hence this QR contains the encoded value. So we are going to convert this to a PNG file. QR, you will have PNG method, and this function takes the file, scale, module color, background color, and quiet zone. If you want your QR code image file as a colored one, you can play with these values. So now let's give our file name as sub to ASA Learning. And remember, we are converting this to a PNG file, so we should give the extension here. And then I will scale this image to 15 in order to generate a larger PNG image file. So I'll run this cell. In this working directory itself, our image file should have been generated. And yes, as you can see here, the image file is generated. In just 2 lines of code, we have converted our data to a QR code, and thanks to PyQR code Python module. And if we scan this QR code, try it by yourself, it will take us to the ASA Learning YouTube page. As simple as that. I hope you all find this video useful. The complete playlist for the Explained in Minutes series videos is given in the description below. And also, if you are interested in magic reveals using Python code, we have Pro Magic series. Do check out if you find it interesting. And now hit that like button, comment your queries below. I'll try to answer all your queries. And do subscribe to ASA Learning and ding dong the bell icon. See you all in the next video in Explained in Minutes series. Take a pound.